We have something called retail investors. We have something called smart money. And we also have something called market makers. So let's take a look at all of these different actors. So who trade in the stock market? First of all, we have the retail investors. And retail investors are basically everyday people like me and you who buy and sell stocks to build personal wealth. The next category here is what is often referred to as smart money. And another word for this is institutional investors. So, and these actors are pretty different from me and you, because these actors are large organizations, like for example, banks and hedge funds that invest large, very large sums of money. And one important aspect about the smart money is that they often have more resources and information compared to us retail investors. And when I talk about resources, I both talk about, simple labor. They have more people, working, and they often also have more advanced tools and access to more data compared to retail investors. So it can be easy to just think that, smart money will always have the upper hand compared to the retail investors. But there are actually a few benefits of being a smaller trader as well. For example, smart money and institutional investors will often be a bit restricted to what markets and what time frames they can trade on. They often have much more rules, and if they have large amounts of capital, many institutional investors can't really trade super small stocks and so on and so on. So it doesn't have to be a bad thing to be a retail investor. But now then, the final market participant I want to talk about is something called market makers. And market makers are basically firms, or in some rare cases, individuals that provide liquidity in the market. And liquidity is basically how easy it is to buy and sell a stock. So they provide liquidity to ensure that there are always buyers and sellers for stock. And this makes the market function in a more smooth manner. Alright, so this video was just a very, very short clip from our full stock market course here on the channel. To watch the full course for free, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I'll see you all over there very, very soon.